Greetings, I'm Ms. S. Ngubane, and my presentation is based on digital tools and ethical practice integration of Khulisa Social Solutions.
Digital tools and ethical practice integration.
Introduction. Khulisa Social Solutions is a South African non-profit organization founded in 1997 with the mission to empower vulnerable children, youth, and communities to unlock their full potential and build resilient for sustainable futures. Khulisa.org.za work is grounded in restorative justice, community cohesion, and holistic development. Over the years, it has expanded from its earlier focus offended rehabilitation to a much broader set of interventions, including peacemaking, youth development, parenting, school, community development, and corporate partnership. Why technology matters for knowledge management. Firstly, Khulisa runs multiple programs across South Africa. Number 2, risk. Losing institutional memory when staff leave. Number 3, new staff need quick access to knowledge and tools. The last one, technology enables knowledge capture and sharing collaboration. Core technology system. Under core technology system, we have email, intranet, knowledge portal, project management tools, and database and M&E system. Under email, we have communication, announcement, and onboarding packs. Under internet or knowledge portal, we have policies, program guides, and templates. Under project management tools, we have tasks, timeline, and collaboration. Under database and ME system, we have store program data and past reports. Knowledge management angle. How tech supports onboarding. Number 1, ensure new staff access essential document instantly. Number 2, captures lessons learned from past projects. Number 3, encourages collaboration across offices or regions. The last one, promotes continuity in community projects. Onboarding knowledge management process. We have pre-arrival package, orientation and training, mentoring and peer learning, knowledge capture, and ongoing communities of practice. Under pre-arrival package, we have welcome pack and digital resources. Under orientation and training, we have system, policies, and program methods. Under mentoring and peer learning, we have body, system, and shadowing. Under knowledge capture, we have encourage documenting gap and insights. Under ongoing communities of practice, we have continuous learning and sharing. Example of Khulisa's practice. We have research and evaluation, narrative therapy, SIT workshop, and community interventions. Under research and evaluation, we have database store funding. Under narrative therapy, we have knowledge capture for reuse. Under community intervention, we have lessons shared across the regions. Recommendations for effective knowledge management. Number 1, we have build central knowledge portal. Number 2, standardize lesson learned documentation. Number 3, we have provide digital assets for remote staff. The last one is integrate monitoring into onboarding process. Contact detail for Khulisa Social Solutions. Firstly, Head Office 105 Oxford Road, Johannesburg, South Africa 2196. Call 011-788-8237. For email, info@khulisa.org.za. In conclusion, with the right technology system, Khulisa can retain critical organizational knowledge, help new staff to integrate faster, and ensure consistent, impactful program across South Africa.